Hello, my little zebras. Welcome to our Monday lesson. Today is Monday, and on Monday, we learn a new sound. Before we do that, let's sing our Days of the Week song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So today is Monday. I hope you all had a lovely weekend, and let's start. So when we are learning a new sound, the first thing we do is we listen to the song. When we listen to the song, we try to pick out the song, okay? So I want all of you to listen very carefully. I'm going to play the song on my iPad. Turn the volume up. Okay, ready? Here we go. Play that again. Listen for the sound.
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake.
Puff, puff, puff. One more time. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. So the song is puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Who heard the sound? The sound that we are going to learn is p, 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 for pink pig. P for puff. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Can everyone try and make the sound p, p, p? Good. And now remember, every sound has an action. The action for the sound p is hold your finger out, pretend that it's a candle that you are blowing out. P, p, p. That's how you blow out the candle. P, p, p. So that's our sound for the week. P, p, p. P for pink, p for pig, for pencil, P for pen. There are so many words that begin with the sound P. I want you to think of more. Now we are going to look at what the sound P looks like. And I have it right here on my flashcard. This is the sound P, P for pencil. You go down, you go up, and there's a bump. And that is our sound. P, p, p. I'm going to draw that sound on my chalkboard and teach you how it's done. Okay, I'm going to use my pink chalk. P for pink. So it's very easy. You start at the, oops, my chalk fell down. Picked it up. P for pick. So you start at the top, you're going to go down, back up, and then do a nice little bump that stops halfway there. Okay? I'm going to do that again, and I want you to follow me with your finger. So you put your finger on the dot, okay? Very easy. We go straight down, straight up, and a little bump. And that is how you write the sound. Pa, pa, pa. One more time. Fingers in the air, pointing up here. Let's practice it together. Straight down, straight up, and a bump. And that's how easy it is to write the sound p, p, p. Good. Now, my zebras, you will find this in your learning packs. You have the sound right there, and you have a pig cake, okay? Now you're going to color the pig cake, and I want you to use the color pink to make it a pink pig cake. And then you'll see all these little dots. When you join these dots together with a pencil, you will make the sound P. So you start at the top, you go down, back up, and a bump. You remember that because that is how we write the sound P. Start at the top, you go down, up, and bump. Straight down, straight up, and a bump. And I've got lots of them for you to join. I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Use your pencil, write the sound P, and then color in your pink pig cake. And then you've got to look around your house for things that begin with the sound P, P, P. Thank you, zebras. Go do your work, and I'll see you soon. Bye.